Ever since we got back from the trip, I've had this feeling like,
Feeling the pressure.
yeah, like,
Without words.
like, what are you waiting for?
Visit her.
Oh yeah, this is the spot. You know, come from the parking lot. We're gonna set up a picnic right here. Set up a picnic right here, next to the tree.
Okay.
Yep.
Facing the street, so.
No, hell no, it face the lake, bro. Wow, bro, that's where we went for our first date.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's where I took her out for our first date. I'm a little nervous, but you know,
Lean over.
probably lean over here, talk for a little bit. Then I'm gonna turn around.
Boom.
Boom. You know, this is where we had our first kiss too.
Wow.
So you had
How's
to
that?
talk. You had to talk with the family.
Oh, I had to talk on Monday, bro.
How was that run?
No, it went pretty good. You know, I told them. I told them in Africa, you come to this type of visit with your uncles and your entire family.
The few cows.
Yeah, with a few cows. But in this case, it was just me. I brought Colin nuts though. But her mom was super excited, so that gives me a lot of confidence.
It's good, man.
Yeah. She jumped like she's been waiting for it.
Yeah,
It's about time.
So yeah, I got the parents' blessing. So
that's what you need.
yeah. I've been waiting for this day since the first day we set foot on this spot. There's no other person I'd rather spend the rest of my life with. Will you marry me?
Oh my God!
Oh, this has got it on your finger.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked. You said yes. That was so smooth. Oh my God. I don't know what to do with him.
Say no more.
Oh my God.
Oh, your dad told me about how he proposed to your mom. The band, the ring he got from the vending machine. Hey, she's my fiance now. I can say that.
Did your family know?
Yes.
Really?
Yep.
And they kept it a secret?
That is a surprise, yes.
All of that?
Hello.
Hey.
Hi, how are you, Gills?
Pretty good. Guess what?
What?
She said yes.
You did ask? That's exciting.
I didn't know you knew, Mom.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh, I'm in shock. I'm in shock. You did such a great job.
Oh, I'm thrilled.
Yeah. Yeah, we're at the lake and everything.
Oh, which lake are you at?
Johanna.
Johanna.
Yeah, that's where we had our first kiss.
Oh, that's so sentimental.
Yeah.
The same spot.
Guys.
Yeah, you did such a good job.
Oh, I don't know what to say. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so excited for you guys.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, you just know. You wait a year or two just to see if it gets to where you think it's gonna get to, but it's like it's written in the stars. So I'm more excited for life after this than the moment. People look forward to weddings and stuff like that. Now I'm looking forward to marriage. That part.